Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys doing well. Starting off this video. It's kind of a fantasy casting, and it's called Bedtime, and it looks like it's old GMC truck or something. Looks like a back end of a Cadillac or a Chevy, and it's a pretty sweet looking ride. I like it. It's kind of a race car, but more like a custom car you can see in the car show. Just gonna start off this video with this. And pretty sweet casting, and I'm one to not really keep any fantasy castings in my collection, but sometimes something like this comes along, I keep it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one is a 65 Ford Ranchero. I'm sure it's part of the Sugar Rush series. And it's got real riders on it, and the colors are just amazing. But do without the goobers on the side. It's a real sweet looking casting. I really like this. A lot of really nice tampos in the back there, not so much in the front, but all in all, it's a sweet ride. I wish I would have thought about it. I would have put this one in my white wall challenge. And this one's great. I absolutely love this casting. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. So I have some recent finds lately. This one is a Corvette Stingray. It's about 63. It's a split window. It's either 63 or 64. My favorite year. I love this split window. And yeah, it's 63 because 64 the following year, they took out the split in the back window because when you go to back up, it was a blind spot. But this is great. Absolutely love this Corvette. I love the old Corvette Stingrays. And it's got a Spectra Flame color on it. It's like a kind of hard to tell what type of color this is, but it's a sweet casting. Came from the Hot Wheels Classics. Alright guys, go to the next one. Next one, the 66 Chevy Nova. This one is real sweet. I love the color of this. It's got the racing stripes. This I definitely would take for a spin. Definitely great looking casting. Love the color to this. Hope you guys are doing well today, and if you can, please subscribe. Comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. '71 Vega Stinger. It's from Johnny Lightning. And Rat Black, I know, I'm hoping you see this video. This is a great looking Chevy Vega. And love the Johnny Lightnings though. Much better than the M2s. The M2s are just don't care for them anymore. That's why I get the Johnny Lightnings and the green lights. So they're just, it's like a failure, you know. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one, 70 Chevelle, Chevy Chevelle SS. Antifreeze green. This also came from the Hot Wheels Classics. As you guys know, they're my favorite cars, are the Chevy Chevelles. I have several Chevelles in my collection. This one's sweet, absolutely a gorgeous car. All right, let's go to the next one. Next one. The Plymouth Barracuda. It's probably about a 67, 68. It's got the ghost flames on it. This is great looking casting. This is also another Hot Wheels Classics. I love buying the Hot Wheels Classics. This is actually King Cuda. As you can see, it says on the bottom of the door towards the back wheels. And I think this was the first King Cuda introduced. Great casting, I really like it. It's sort of like a Christmas green Spectra flame color. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next one. I have 3 left, then I'll get to my 3 finds. Next one, a 67 Camaro. This one's gorgeous, gorgeous casting. It's got the real riders on it. And sure is beautiful. Love that year, the 67. Alright, go down to the last 2. Let's go to the next one. Next one, AMC Rebel machine. I love showing this one. Absolutely gorgeous casting. This one, if I remember correctly, is Johnny Lightning. Yes, there is Johnny Lightning. And Saint hood does open. Yep, sure does. Doesn't want to stay up though. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay up, guys. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next one, last one, and then we'll hit my 3 finds. My 3 finds for the day. Last one is a 68 Hemi Barracuda. Oops. Sorry, guys. I just noticed something. This is black, so it picks up a lot of dust real easy. So, you know, I don't like showing my cars with dust on them. Gotta make sure they're polished and cleaned. Got a really nice color cotton cloth that kind of keeps them really nice and clean when I go to show off the cars for my video. But this 68 Barracuda is gorgeous. Absolutely a great looking casting. Love these rims on here. Just absolutely gorgeous car. Alright, you guys. Let's go ahead and I'll get started on the finds of the day. Alright guys, slide this over a little bit. Alright, let's start with the first one. Say the best one for last. Now, I told you I don't like fantasy castings, but like I said, once in a while, something really cool and pretty funky looking casting. I love this head gasket. I love the helmet. It reminds me a lot of the Red Baron, but more of the modern type car. It's part of the Hot Wheels Daredevils, and it's pretty cool. Let's open her up, get her on the turntable here. Alright guys, like I said, not much in fantasy castings, but this is so cool looking. I think they should have called it something else, but this is really cool looking casting. I really like this. Really far out. Love it. And alright guys, let's go to the next one. Go ahead and take that one off the table. Next one is a Dodge Fan. I found this, and it's pretty cool looking. Let's get her out. Put her on the turntable, guys. Alright guys, here she is. Great looking casting. I love this Dodge Fan. It's really cool looking. Great addition to my collection of vans. I don't have a whole lot, but that's some pretty cool looking vans in my collection. And it looks like there's a smudge on the hood here. Yep, sure is. You can see it right there. I'm gonna have to get me another one. I don't know, I guess that's just the way it is. Yeah, it's the way it's made like that, I guess. Yeah, I'll check it out when I go back to the store. Alright guys, let's go to the next one, and the last one for the night. And I saved the best for last. You betcha, Roger Dodger. Everybody else has been getting these, and I finally got it. Concentrate and ask again. It's a pretty cool looking casting. Alright guys, let's open her up, get her on the turntable. Alright guys, it's my third Roger Dodger of my collection. I think it's pretty cool looking, I love it. I noticed everybody else has been getting them, and I went today and I picked up 2 of them. There were the only 2 there. And part of my set that I put on eBay, and I got about 30 cars on there. I got what is it, anniversary sets, 51 and the 53 complete with the Chase in the 51, but there was no Chase in the 53. And got rid of a Fast and Furious 5-pack set. It's the first one. And a bunch of singles I have on eBay. So, guys, that's going to do it for the night. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. I'm 11 away from 300. I know I'll hit it. It's just a matter of time. But if I do, cool. If I don't, no big deal. And, guys, take care of yourselves. Be good to each other. Be well. Have a good Valentine's Day tomorrow with the one you love. And be safe out there, guys. Have a good night. This is Mike from Right Trust Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.